Alright guys, it's Mr. Lynch, and I'm going to go over area of a triangle with you guys. And now, like I'm going to say in every one of these videos from here on out, you guys can check this out on Google Classroom, or what I would recommend, go to my YouTube channel, find it there. Make sure you guys are subscribing to that channel so you guys can see all these videos as they come up. And make sure you guys start liking the videos, because I've seen nobody's liked any of the videos, but you guys have watched them. So anyways, area of a triangle using trig. So, we know how to find... Nope, that's not the marker I want. We've seen how to find the... I don't want a right triangle either. We've seen how to find sides of a triangle using trig. We've done that a million times now. So what we're going to do in this video is I'm going to give you guys angle measures, and we'll call this a 35, and we're going to try and find the area of this triangle. And actually, we're going to get rid of that 47-degree angle. Oh, not, okay. We're going to get rid of this 47-degree angle. We'll leave that like that. We're going to say the base is 10 units, and this like right here is 8. So, how do we find the area of this triangle? Well, first, we need to find the height. So we're going to draw an altitude in here. So, this is a line from one vertex of the triangle down to the base that is perpendicular. And we need to find the height of this. Now, how do we find the height of this? Well, let's use sine. So, the sine of 35 degrees is going to be equal to our opposite leg, which we'll call h, divided by our hypotenuse of h, or 8. So then to solve for h, we multiply both sides by 8. I don't know why I chose a number and a letter that are so close in sound. So 8 sine of 35 is equal to h. And now we take our calculators, and I recommend using your phones or Symbolab for this. And what we're going to do is we're just going to type in sine of 35 times 8. And we're going to get 4.5886 is equal to h. So now, the formula for the area of a triangle. That is not what I wanted. Area of a triangle is 1/2 base times height. Alright, so base times height, we're going to get that the area of this triangle is going to equal 10 times 4.5886 divided by 2. And we can simplify this for ourselves a little bit. And 10 divided by 2 is 5, so it's really 5 times 4.5886, which will get us a grand total of 4.5886 times 5, 22.943. So the area, that's a really bad A, the area of this triangle is equal to 22.943 square units, or units squared. Now there is an easier way to do this. If you guys look right up here, right there, and I'll erase that line and draw in another color so you guys can see it more clearly. If we look right here, we can rewrite this in general terms. We can say that h is going to be equal to this side up here, which we'll call c, sine of a. So we're just saying that it's this, the height is going to be equal to this side right here times the sine of this angle down here. So if we plug this in here, then the area of any triangle is going to be equal to base times c times the sine of a divided by 2. And this will work for any triangle we have. So let's go down here and let's do one more triangle, just to show you guys how this works. Alright, So then let's look at this angle right here, and let's say that that is 27 degrees. This whole length down here, let's call it 28 units. And we'll call this length up here 23 units. Actually, let's change units to meters, because we all know the metric system is much better than the system we use. So 28 meters and 23 meters. Now our first step is we're going to draw our altitude. Alright, so we can either do the altitude method where we're solving for the height first, and then we solve for the area, or we can do the area method. So let's do both. Let's solve for h first. So we're going to get the sine of 27 is equal to our opposite side of h divided by 23. We multiply both sides by 23. We get 23 sine of 27 equals h. And pull out my calculator. 23 sine of, so let's go sine 27 times 23. 10.4418. So h equals 10.4418. And that is rounding up to the 4th decimal place. So now that we have this h, let's plug it into our equation. So we're going to get the area of the triangle is equal to base of 28 times 10.4418, all divided by 2. We can simplify this. 28 divided by 2 is 14. So we're going to get 14 times 10.4418, which will get us 146.149. So the area, I don't know what just happened there. The area of this triangle is equal to 146.185 meters squared. Now let's try the other way. We're going to say that the area of the triangle is equal to b times c, so 28 times 23 times the sine of a. Sorry, the sine of 27, not a. Divided by 2. And again, 28 divided by 2 gets us 14. So we're going to get 14 times 23 times the sine of 27, which will get us, I can almost guarantee it's the same thing. Should be the same thing unless I did something wrong. 14 times 23 times the sine of 27 gets us 146.185. Meters squared. Alright guys, this is what we're going to be doing next week. Or actually, I think that's this week. There will be a quick quiz on this. I suggest you guys get these formulas written down and you guys watch this video once or twice. There will be another video put out tomorrow going over the next lesson, which should cover this. After this, we're going to start getting into area of other shapes using trig. We will break it down into triangles and solve it that way. It's going to be a lot of fun, trust me. And make sure you guys are liking the video and subscribing to my YouTube channel so you guys can see these videos as soon as they're up.